So these are three websites I've found useful over the years. If you're looking for something in Revit and you can't find it, you want to try to look through these three websites. So first here we have Revit City. I'll just show you a real basic overview of what each one has. Just be aware, Revit City is pretty slow. They do have a lot of good options here, but I typically have a hard time finding, things that are parametric. What I was talking about. If it's one size in the family, and then you bring it into the model, you have the ability to change it to whatever size you want. But you can see there are all these different categories here that you have to choose from. They have materials, so if you're trying to render something, you can look in here for materials. They have, like electrical, like you can probably get lighting, and maybe you want a specific looking outlet or switch, you can find it in here. So they're pretty good. Revit City, you'll need to make an account before you can download anything. But you can still go in here and search, make sure something's there before you take the time to make an account, but it's pretty easy to set up. Next we have BIMObjectcom. So this is kind of the same thing. You'll see that there's, materials. If you go over to the BIM object categories, you'll see there's materials, they have doors, they have construction, so like there's just a bunch of various objects, balconies, anchors, if you're trying to anchor concrete in, you might find a detail there, ladders, roofs, things like that. And then you can see there's obviously a lot more electrical, electronics, it goes on and on and on. But this is just another great place to look and find, something that may be really specific to your model that you're looking for. And then the last one is arcat.com, arcat.com. This is another good one. You can see they have a similar setup here. Their BIM file categories. You can come in here and find anything that you're looking for. So I'm looking for countertops. So those are three websites that are definitely good to use. I would recommend them. If you have any questions, sure to leave me a comment. I'll be sure to do my best to get back to you.